Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. 3 day 30 missing after flash flood in Andhra's Kadapa. At least 3 people died and 30 others are missing following a flash flood in Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh on Friday. Several villages were inundated after a dam breach led to the overflowing of the Cheyaru River. The Swami Ananda temple in Nandalur also was submerged. Three farm laws to be rolled back, says PM Modi urges farmers to leave protest sites. After 1 year of agitation over farm laws, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on Friday that the centre will repeal the 3 controversial laws which were passed in Parliament in September last year. PM Modi apologized to the people of the country and said that the government failed to convince a section of farmers over the farm laws. He said the 3 contentious laws will be repealed during this month's Parliament session. I apologize to the people of the country. We were not able to convince farmers. I am here to declare that we have decided to repeal the 3 farm laws. We will complete all the formalities during the Parliament session that begins this month, PM Modi said in his address to the nation on Friday. PM Modi also urged farmers to return home to their families and start afresh. Parliament passed the 3 farm laws in September last year. They had first come in the month of June as the 3 ordinances before being approved by the Parliament during the monsoon session by a voice note. I apologize, how PM Modi rebranded himself with 2 simple words. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has apologized over the 3 farm laws over which the government failed to convince farmers to accept paying for over a year. The repeal of the 3 farm laws comes as an attempt to demolish an image and alleged by the opposition and his critics. Then PM Modi is an arrogant leader. PM Modi said, I apologize to the people of the country with a true and pure heart. We were not able to convince farmers. There must have been some deficiency in our effort that we could not convince some farmers. The farmers began their protest against the 3 farm laws in the July last year in Punjab. They shifted the theatre of the protest to Delhi borders in November last year. Around a dozen rounds of talks between the representatives of the farmers and union ministers failed to resolve the stalemate. The farmers remained adamant on their demand of repealing the 3 laws despite the Supreme Court saying the law's implementation for an indefinite period. The sustained campaign by the farmers and the Modi government insistence on staying on the course with the farmer laws helped on the opposition fan the narrative that PM Modi was an arrogant leader. There is a section of society that has been demanding an apology from PM Modi over the 2002 Gujarat riots. As Gujarat Chief Minister Modi faced a probe in connection with the riot cases, he was given a clean sheet by the court, but he never tendered an apology. The opposition and a number of activities allege that the Gujarat government headed by Modi had a role in the riots which over 1,000 people were killed.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.